Well, to begin with, my name isn't Irving. I discovered when I applied for my first passport that my birth certificate, January 13th, 1924, read Iva, I-V-A Zuckerman. Where did Iva come from? My mother, who was Yiddish speaking, and whoever delivered me, I think, was also in the Bronx apartment where we lived, decided on a name. I don't think it was Iva, and my mother called me Irving, Irvingol, or mein schwarze Yerusha, my black inheritance, depending on how she felt about me. Irving, the R, I discovered when I was 6 years old and went to school, and my name became Irving then. I hated it, and I shortened it to Irv. So only on 2 or 3 occasions did I hear Irving applying for a driver's license, my Social Security card, and on the wall of the Yiddish book center. Claire, my wife, calls me Irving whenever I have done something outlandish, but the rest of the time it's Irv Zuckerman, and it makes me feel more comfortable.